is time to figure out what's for dinner, always the conundrum here, and that's why we've got Dr. Blake Schusterman here with us, and also known as the Cooking Doc, to help us figure out what we're going to have for dinner tonight. And what exactly is that we're having for dinner tonight?
Well, we're going to have egg sandwiches.
Okay.
Okay? We're going to make 3 sandwiches.
Okay.
All right? So the first one we're going to do is using some Duke's mayo.
Okay.
Of course.
Everyone's got that in their freezer.
Everyone's got that
refrigerator.
Here. Yep. And then we've got some fresh local pesto. So this is pesto that I got at the Swamp Rabbit Cafe.
Nice.
But you can also make pesto at home really easily if you have a big basil crop, something like that.
Okay.
So we're just going to mix that pesto with that mayo and makes a delicious little green sauce with a ton of flavor. And so our first sandwich is going to be kind of that basil pesto.
Okay.
With the mayonnaise. Spread it on your bread. Then we've got our eggs, and you've got either fried eggs or boiled eggs or scrambled eggs. Anyway, any kind of egg will do for this.
Okay. So really whatever way you like your eggs.
Whatever way you like your eggs will work. And then we're going to top that with some spinach. Now, if you put your eggs hot on top of the spinach, it will wilt a little bit, which I like better.
Yeah.
And then a couple slices of tomato.
Oh, wow.
And so you've got a really colorful, healthy, last-minute sandwich. You know, you're not using lunch meat that you've gotten that's really high in sodium or really processed. So this is really unprocessed. Okay. We're going to cut all our sandwiches on the diagonal. Okay. And our next sandwich is going to be. This is one that is a little different, but it's spicy and sweet.
Okay, we like that.
So again, we've got local ingredients. So this is a local fig jam.
Ooh,
okay.
My husband would love that.
Yeah. So people don't always think about sweet with eggs, but sometimes it's a really nice combination.
Yeah.
So we've got our sweet fig jam. Then we've got some local goat cheese, goat feta. Okay.
Excellent. Goat cheese is my favorite.
I love goat cheese.
Love it.
And then we've got some jalapenos from my friend's garden. Okay, so we've got all kind of local ingredients here that we're going to use with the eggs, and we've got salty, spicy, and sweet all in one sandwich.
Love that.
Maybe kind of a unique combination, but we're trying to make our egg sandwich interesting and more healthy.
Yeah.
So we're going to put that one here. And then we're going to make our third.
All right.
Okay?
Yeah.
So the third is a little more traditional. It's kind of a Mexican egg sandwich.
Okay.
So we've got our egg cooked any way you like it. And then we've got some more traditional kind of Mexican ingredients like avocado, fresh avocado, or guacamole. And we're just going to mush that avocado right into one side of the sandwich. And we're going to put our egg right on top. And top that with whatever kind of like burrito or salad fixings that you like. So we've got a little bit of local salsa. Just gonna pop that on top.
Oh boy, that looks great.
Yeah, and then some cheese, and once again, just a little bit of cheese because cheese can be awfully salty. So just enough to give it some extra flavor and kind of make the sandwich coalesce together. And if you put the hot egg on top of it, that cheese will melt a little bit.
Excellent. Well, like you said, that one's super customizable. If you like a little sour cream, if you like a little, maybe some peppers on top, you could add a couple of those, maybe even some of these jalapenos.
Totally, yeah, to make it a little spicy. And that's one thing that's, if you have a lot of different eaters in the house, you know, you set up a kind of little buffet bar with different toppings that you can make your sandwich out of, and it's a great way to make it fun, and it can be quick and can be healthy.
What a great idea.
Yeah, and you're not running to the Sphinx for fried chicken.
If you're sitting here maybe watching this on foxcarolina.com and you're thinking, it's 5:30, I've got to figure out what's for dinner, this is what's for dinner. But of course, if you're watching us right now and you want to see more about this recipe, you can go to foxcarolina.com and pick up that recipe. You can look at all of our recipes, previous recipes as well. And of course, give Blake a follow, the Cooking Doc, on all social media there, and learn more of these great healthy recipes. Thanks for being with us today.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.